Most times, it's tempting to think about how much you could have earned if you had decided to take the big leap of investing early. Crypto prices have been plummeting since late last year and tearing so many hearts apart. So is it still possible to make a lot of money and potentially wine and dine with the millionaires with crypto? Well, simply put, yes, it is. It depends on your strategy and the crypto models you look up to though. A recent video from Altcoin Daily involved discussions about the famed crypto personality BitBoy Crypto and his rise to prominence in the sector. Something interesting to unravel. Perhaps no other market is more vulnerable to influence of social media than crypto, where a single tweet from Elon Musk can pump Dogecoin to all-time highs or send Bitcoin spiraling and making head-spinning records. A couple of years ago, a TikTok user created a coin called Scam as a joke, and it skyrocketed to a $70 million market cap an hour after its release. Funny enough, this could be considered magical or diabolical. Newer self-directed investors are more likely to put their money into riskier investments like cryptocurrencies, and as a result, the thrill, novelty, and social catch-it. A massive chunk of cryptocurrency's buzz is due to influencers and hype on social media. Various crypto enthusiasts have flocked to TikTok because it represents the greatest potential to expand their audience, according to an expert. Well, everyone is doing their best to spread the great news about cryptocurrency and its dynamics, but it's quite a pity that the SEC is taking legal steps against the people behind these activities. The regulator recently charged 8 influencers, including well-known personalities, for promoting the cryptos on social media without disclosing that they were paid for it. Nevertheless, a certain crypto personality remains a force to be reckoned with in the crypto world. BitBoy Crypto and his narrative of becoming a crypto millionaire in 1 year are gaining massive attention. Ben Armstrong, popularly known as BitBoy Crypto, was very early to the cryptocurrency content creation game on YouTube, and he quickly amassed a large following after the large bull run in 2017. Throughout this run, BitBoy was known to be a paid marketer or promoter for several different crypto projects that paid him a sponsorship fee. Ben had made the biggest profit at the end of 2017. The source of his income was dividends from the growth of Bitcoin and several top altcoins, which he had previously bought. There is no exact data for this period, but all indications point to the fact that he made the first $1 million in December 2017 bull rally. Now he earns more thanks to the mega popular blog on Twitter and YouTube. Armstrong first became interested in cryptocurrency in 2012 and studied this topic for a long time, deciding to make several investments. By that time, he had an average income and did not allocate very much money for his first transaction. He made a bet on Bitcoin at the right time and made a big hit on the right spot. So he began his journey to the heights. However, it was not without turbulent moments. Part of his money was kept on the Mt. Gox exchange, and the subsequent rise in the rate of cryptocurrencies made it possible to compensate for the costs. In 2013, BitBoy launched his website. In just a few years, he led a team of professionals, learned all the secrets of trading and investing, and opened an online academy. Have you found someone to look up to? BitBoy is definitely a natural, and he's good at what he does. The kind of promotion on the BitBoy YouTube channel has been happening for years now, and has attracted many controversies. Several popular crypto Twitter personalities have called him out for not being transparent with his retail following. BitBoy Crypto has indeed attained an incredible level of success through his content creation on YouTube and his unbending involvement in cryptocurrency space. His net worth is over $200 million, which is a proof of the power of social media and the budding interest in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. While he has faced some controversies related to paid marketing and sponsorships, it is necessary to note that transparency and disclosure are crucial for building trust with an audience. This crypto YouTube influencer also makes interesting predictions about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. BitBoy Crypto laid out a detailed Bitcoin prediction last year, and he said that Bitcoin would bottom in November or December. At the time, Bitcoin's price was around $19,000. That same week, Bitcoin was at $18,000. BitBoy does not disclose exact data on his investment portfolio, but he is a supporter of top cryptocurrencies. He always defends the position that there should be Bitcoin in the investor's wallet. You can be sure that he owns enough Ethereum. It's not about thousands of coins. There's an assumption that there's about 100 Bitcoin in his accounts and the Bitcoin equivalent of all of his digital assets. He's not afraid to show reports of his work, but he doesn't do it often. What we need to understand is that the smart investor knows when to get rid of an asset. Therefore, data, even a month old, is likely to be irrelevant. The leader of a public opinion is a millionaire, and he's constantly increased his capital. In 2021, he demonstrated his portfolio, which at the time was estimated at $10 million. Now, this amount is much less. Fluctuations in the market have greatly affected his network, but are not able to knock him out of the saddle. As he continues to grow and evolve his brand, it will be thrilling to see how he navigates the ever-changing landscape of the cryptocurrency world and maintain his position as a leading voice in the industry. Yes, you heard that right, a leading voice. The crypto market itself is interesting. BitBoy Crypto is a crypto millionaire, and that is also possible for you too. Ethereum has seen its price soar by nearly 800% over the past 3 years. Solana is up by more than 3,600% since its inception, and Shiba Inu has skyrocketed a staggering 23,600,000% since its lowest point in 2020. Now, the most important thing to remember when investing in crypto is that it's a long-term strategy. While it is possible to make a lot of money in a relatively short amount of time, that shouldn't be the sole aim. Volatility is extremely common in the crypto sector, and sometimes these downturns are severe, resulting in several heartbreaks. If you are aiming to become a millionaire overnight, then volatility will make it extremely difficult. However, despite these slumps, it is possible to see significant gains over the long run. Back in 2018, Ethereum's price plunged by close to 95% over the year, but if you invested at its lowest point, you would have seen returns close to 1,900% between then and now. Although the crypto market as a whole has been struggling in recent months, that doesn't mean that you cannot make a lot of money over time. There are no guarantees that you'll become a millionaire, but if you invest in the right cryptocurrencies and hold those investments for the long term, it is still possible to see significant returns. Nobody knows for certain how crypto will fare over time. There is no magical strategy for an accurate forecast. The entire crypto sector is still speculative at this point, so even the strongest investments are not assured of success. This is nothing but the truth, but the right strategy can improve your chances of making money over time. Apart from keeping a long-term outlook, it is also important to choose your investments wisely. While nobody can say for sure which cryptocurrencies will thrive over time, the ones with the most real-world utility are most likely to succeed. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example, are somewhat safer options simply because they're the most popular with substantial track records. Again, that doesn't necessarily mean that they will succeed, but because they have more real-world utility than many other smaller tokens, it is more likely that they'll stick around for the long term. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu carry more risk. Shiba Inu's pump to fame was based largely on hype over substance, and even though it's been making strides towards improving its utility, it still lacks a strong competitive advantage in the sector. While nothing is impossible in the crypto world, tokens like Shiba Inu will face an uphill battle. Although Bitcoin and Ethereum differ in the ways that they are used, both serve a unique purpose, and as a result, they make up the majority of the value of the cryptocurrency asset class. And as a result of their prominence, Bitcoin and Ethereum are so big, as they go, so goes the rest of the market. For this reason, they offer investors the simplest and most effective means to prepare for the crypto's recovery. Rather than trying to find an obscure, unproven cryptocurrency or the next big thing, keep it simple. Investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum has treated investors well in years past, and likely will continue in years to come. The smartest strategies and solid track records from crypto personalities like BitBoy Crypto are enough to keep you on track and in check. But that's going to do it for today's video. Be sure to click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.